Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking about a legal term you might hear, adjudication withheld. It sounds complicated, but it's really important to understand, especially if you or someone you know faces legal trouble. We'll break it down into simple terms. So, what exactly is adjudication withheld? Imagine you're in court for a minor offense. The judge finds you guilty, or you plead guilty or no contest. But instead of officially recording a conviction on your record, the judge decides to withhold adjudication. This means the court does not formally declare you guilty of the crime for certain purposes. It's a specific type of court outcome. It's often seen as a second chance, especially for first-time offenders or for less serious crimes. The judge will typically give you conditions. These might include probation, paying fines, completing community service hours, or attending specific classes like anger management or substance abuse programs. You must successfully complete all these conditions. If you do, the adjudication remains withheld. This is a big benefit. One major advantage is that, in many situations, you can truthfully state that you have not been convicted of that specific crime. This can be very helpful when applying for jobs, housing, or professional licenses. A full conviction can make these things much harder. With adjudication withheld, your opportunities can be less impacted. However, it's not a completely clean slate. Even though it's not a formal conviction, the incident will still appear on your criminal record. It will show up in most background checks. It just won't be labeled as a conviction. This is a crucial distinction. If you violate the terms of your probation or any other conditions set by the judge, the court can then adjudicate you guilty. This means the judge can go back and officially record the conviction. This would then put a full conviction on your record, and you could face more severe penalties. So, it's essential to follow all instructions carefully. Adjudication withheld is not available for all crimes. More serious offenses typically don't qualify. Also, state laws vary, so what it means in one state might be slightly different in another. It's always best to consult with a lawyer to understand the specific implications for your situation. They can explain how it might affect things like your ability to own a firearm or your immigration status. In summary, adjudication withheld is a favorable outcome where a judge doesn't formally record a conviction, giving you a chance to avoid some of the harsh consequences of a full conviction, provided you meet certain conditions. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video and subscribing for more clear explanations of important topics. Your support helps us create more content like this.